Okay, now, once that is done, we want to now correct some of our posture defaults, or kind of where we're messing up in our posture, okay? So these are kind of to put us into good position, but now you want to do some strengthening exercises that are going to help to maintain that position, okay? So, because the first thing that kind of falls forward is our head, typically our neck, or it's called our deep cervical flexors, the neck muscles right here in the front of your neck, they get very, very weak, okay? So we want to strengthen them. A good way to kind of strengthen them is to do what's called chin tucks, okay? And all that is basically is you're going to be sitting here nice and tall. You're going to take your chin and pretend like someone has their fingers on your chin and they're pushing you back, okay? Except instead of you pushing back, you are retracting or tucking your chin back as though you're trying to avoid someone punching you in the face, right? You're going to tuck the chin back, hold it here 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax, okay? And now another thing is you want to be mindful of where the shoulders are. If your shoulders are round forward and you're trying to do this, sometimes it can cause tension through your cervical thoracic junction, or right here, that little ball that pops out. So make sure your shoulders are rolled back, okay? And we're going to go from here, and we're going to kind of tuck back and hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. And sit back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. We got 2 more here, and we're going to tuck it back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last one, tuck back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to do, just to kind of make sure that we're really strengthening the posture as best as we can, is we're going to do what's called scap squeezes, right? Or scapular retractions if you're a practitioner. And basically all that is, and I'm going to turn my back here so you can see what my shoulder blades are doing. All that is you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades. Now, often when we squeeze our shoulder blades, people have a propensity to always hike their shoulders and go, okay, am I doing it? You don't want to cue your upper traps or the top neck muscle here. What you want to do is you want to take your shoulder blades and just squeeze them down and back. Holding there 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, okay? And we're going to squeeze back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll give you a sideways view, right? Your shoulders are here. You're going to squeeze your shoulder blades down and back and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's number 3. Let's go back to the back view here. You're going to squeeze your shoulder blades down and back. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Squeeze down and back. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? That, everyone, is a quick, less than 10 minutes actually, look at that, posture reset for your work ergonomics, okay? Give these exercises a try. I know they're definitely going to help. As always, please everyone, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks everyone for watching.